Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of the poem Why, and then you need to note it down in your English copy work. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Reading is fun. Name a few things that sink. Sink where? In the water. So, the things which sink in the water is iron, stone, lead, marble, cup, plate, etc. These are heavy materials. That's the reason they don't float on water, they sink into the water. Okay, second one, list three questions that the little boy asked. The three questions that the little boy asked are: why do wood swim and marble sink? What makes the cloud? Why do we eat and drink? Next, what sort of boy is described in the poem? Sad, curious, or brave? Curious boy, because he's again and again asking questions. Okay, so curious. Let's talk. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking question. One day he came home and asked his grandfather question like, why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? Why can't we touch the sun? Why can't we go out to play in the dark? Discuss these questions in the class. Do you know the answers? So, first one, we can't look at the sun during a solar eclipse because the light of the sun can prove harmful for our eyes. It's a reflection, it's rays which are coming out, it can affect our eyesight. Okay, it is a very strong rays which falls, so it can affect us eyesight. Okay, second, the sun is a ball of fire. It is too hot to touch. It is also too far to reach or touch. So we cannot, it's a hot ball, we cannot even stand close to it, so there is no point of touching it. And secondly, we cannot touch it. Why? Because it's not in the earth, it's outside the earth. Okay, second. Next, proper light is essential for activities like playing game. We may fall down or get hurt if we play in darkness. If we play in darkness, we don't know which thing is kept around. We don't have that judgment that we can play like that only in the dark room, and there can be some insects or something which can hurt us. So that's the reason we don't play in dark. Word building. Fill in the blanks with the words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentences. Why is the sky so high? Do you know the color of no? Have you found who made the cloud? Put the glass in the sink after you finish your drink. Next, the spelling of these words are jumbled. Put them right and make sentences of your own. WOKN. So it's no. I don't know the answer of this question. Second, WISM, swim. He swims for hours during weekends. DAEL, lead. Lead is a heavy metal. BLARME. So the correct word is marble. The building is made up of white marbles. LLIHS, hills. It is difficult to climb the hills. Next, let's write. Discuss and write. Why do cats and dogs fight? Dogs are not friendly to cats. Whenever they meet, they start fighting because dogs may attempt to kill cats who are forced to fight with them to save themselves. So, cats fight because they want to save themselves, and dogs are not friendly with the cats. That's the reason they do both fight. Why do we walk across the road, not run? We don't run but walk across the road to avoid accidents. There are so many vehicles on the road. In such a situation, we are supposed to walk on it carefully without disturbing others. Why do people like ice cream? People like ice cream because they feel exciting to eat such a cold, sweet thing. It's cold also, which relaxes your mouth. Secondly, it's sweet, it's tasty and delicious. That's the reason people like ice cream. Write down at least two questions using why. So, if I have written, you can write on your own also. Why are you crying so loudly? Why do you speak so rudely? Okay, so these are the questions which I have framed. You can frame on your own also. Next, fun time. Painting with onion halves and bottle tip tops. You need what? Two onion halves cut into two pieces, two bottle tops, watercolor, plate for mixing. Now if you'll see in the textbook, they have shown you one example and they have given you the method. I want you all to do this activity and send the picture in the English group. Okay, you need to send the picture, and while doing, ask someone to make your video also. While doing, make video, a short video of 2 minutes, and then send the pictures in the group. Okay, and do these question answers in your English copybook.